images are not enough. You want to animate them and turn them into videos. In ComfyUI, we have motion modules to do exactly that, and the most popular motion module is Animatediff. In this video lesson from the ComfyUI beginner tutorial series, I will show you step by step how to use Animatediff to create animated images. Without wasting any time, let's get started. First, let's look at the prerequisites. You need ComfyUI installed on your PC. I'm using the portable version. You will also need the Comfy Manager plugin. If you haven't installed ComfyUI and the Manager yet, I highly recommend starting this series from the beginning and setting everything up first. If you're already following this series or you know how to use ComfyUI, you can continue from here. For the base model, I'm using Cyber Realistic SD 1.5 because it works well even on low VRAM PCs. You can find the link in the description. Along with the base model, we also need an Animatediff motion module. Open the manager, go to the Model Manager, and search for Animatediff. Install MMST V15V2 checkpoint. It's a large file, so it may take some time to download. Next, we need to install custom nodes. Go to the Custom Node Manager and search for Animatediff Evolve. Then install it. Now search for Video Helper Suite and install those nodes as well. After that, restart ComfyUI to make everything work properly. I'm using the default ComfyUI workflow as a base. To get it, close all open windows. Make sure the Cyber Realistic model is loaded in the checkpoint loader. Now it's time to add the required nodes and connect them. Double-click on the empty area, search for Load Image and add the node. Load the image that you want to animate. I'm using this cat in a spacesuit image. This step converts your image into latent data that the AI can understand. Now add the repeat latent batch node and connect the latent output from VAE encode to the samples input. Then connect the latent output to the latent image input of the K-sampler node. Change the amount to 24. This controls the duration of the clip, which is about 3 seconds at 8 frames per second. Keep in mind, longer duration and higher frame rates require more processing power and more generation time. Now add an Animatediff loader node and connect it to the model output of the load checkpoint node. Select the motion module that we downloaded from the model list. Add a context options standard node and set the context length to 16. Then connect it to the context options input on the Animatediff loader. Now let's configure the K-sampler node for model. Connect the model output from the Animatediff loader. Set denoise between 0.6 and 0.8. Lower values keep it closer to the original image, while higher values add more motion but may change the character. For sampler, use DP-MPP-2M SDE with Keras scheduler. This combination works really well with Cyber Realistic. Now delete the empty latent image node and the save image node since we don't need them. Add a video combine node and connect the image output from VAE decode. Set the format to MP4 and the frame rate to 8. Now add your prompts in the clip text encode node. And that's it. Our workflow is ready. Click Run to generate the animation. Be patient, it may take some time depending on your PC's performance. And here is our animated kitty. Not bad, right? You can improve the result further by refining your prompts and adding LoRa's. That's it for this lesson. I'll see you in the next ComfyUI tutorial. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to the channel. Take care and goodbye.